Well, definitely just stopped recording, but now we're back on. Nothing's happened so far anyway. You've not missed anything, boys.
Oh no.
Racist FC.
That's a good name for our team next year.
I don't think they'll let us submit it to the
MCHR. MC Diversity.
Yeah, no diversity course FC.
Final warning wanderers.
I'm not going to be about them once I've got my exam.
We need to
And
try
then the MC2 team should be gardening.
through camera.
Does it as well?
You need just like a pair of goggles to like put on your face.
I need to hold up here, really. What like a nonce.
I see him standing there.
Oh, you should see his
Go, Jim.
Drop with him, Ben.
Too much.
I was concentrating, then he went.
Who's got left?
Meg! Oh, that's it.
Legs open and everything.
No, nothing. Keep going.
Armbar.
Oh, Craig.
Triangle, triangle.
Big head. Magic head.
This guy looks like a tank.
100%. Koi! Koi! Oh my god. Koi might be the most erratic keeper I've ever seen.
That's how I play.
It's bloody, it's absolute magic to watch.
Talk kids.
I think we need to do what everyone else does, and just leather it to up where the keeper is.
I was trying that when I was in goal, but it's hard to take it down. He just gets bounced back and then he goes back in the midfield most times. You've got to have someone up there who can take a good touch.
It's a dangerous place to have the ball going into.
Depends if they got on the end of it though. It's dangerous for, like, if they get on the end, it's dangerous for us as well.
That you're passing to.
Yeah.
He's caught that.
It's a good strike.
Unbelievable, Jeff.
No chance saving that.
Corner of the top corner here. Brilliant, well. He's still on, it's not going anywhere. Jim, you get the guy centre. Right, you got him.
Ooh.
Right, to shoot.
Safe. Good ball.
Right, your man.
Line.
His touches have been so poor.
Offload it.
Strong though, isn't
Oh. It's like watching FIFA.
Guys, go track back. Yeah. Put him.
Stand him up. Hey, out to him, Rob.
Guys, two of you go to the same man.
Stand him. Hey, AJ.
Push on. No, right, get him.
Blue boots, Jamie. Keep his kickers. Wait.
Rob, easy. Stay simple.
Tell them you got a sub set.
Stand on it.
Tell them you got a sub.
Got a sub, lads.
Track there.
If anybody wants it.
Keep reminding them, because you forget when you're playing.
Come your wall.
That's what I'm the only one that remembers. I just run until I'm fucking coughing and then come off. And then they're like, oh, you don't last very long. I'm like,
No, the idea should be to swap around a lot.
Counting it.
you can hit that. Should have done.
Oh.
Move!
Right.
Move!
Left. Stand on. Needs a call there, boys. Shout from the side.
He had a shot.
Right.
Ben, go behind.
That's gone.
Sorry, lads. That's a bad pass.
Come on, boys, talking. Yeah, Rob. We have whenever you are.
Composure, lads. Right, hug the line.
Come on, boys. Talking. There's no talking.
Jim.
Right, it's all behind you.
Time.
Well, in Will.
Close it. Stand him.
Go on,
Come on, Adrian.
Yes.
They look for the.
Not today.
Right, who's coming on? For Jim. Hey? Chris.
Played Scott.
Not very strong start, is it?
It was a good goal.
Chris,
Can't do anything about the
right
goal.
back.
I don't think he really had that one
You
chance.
sit there.
Make it.
The thing is, we play like Thursdays is different time. I guess it's different time of football.
Great goal, Ben.
Finished, Ben. Definitely not a cross.
Different time of trips, too.
Lovely goal, Ben.
It's funny how you play different teams and it's different. We played Bayern last week and they just stood right back.
Did you win?
Yeah.
Oh.
Teams, you don't know if they're missing players or something.
Good run, Luke.
Yeah.
Chris, you go right. Marking got two. There's someone in here. No easy ball for him now, lads. It's going centre long. Who's ball?
Good touch, Chief. Oh, good ball.
Go on, Ben. Oh, ref. Them right at it.
I don't know.
He's standing all the way over there. That's not how the ball's going. You've got to be one for the flip-flop.
Wouldn't be happy if that was a pen against us.
He got the ball away, didn't he?
Same again, lads. Good movement, boys, up top. Same again. Ball!
Good head.
Right.
That's yours,
Right,
Brian.
See you, Brian.
Pressure, Ben.
Someone go line for him. Someone go line.
That's it.
Well done, Luke.
Well seen.
Yes, inside.
Guys, you got to move
Oh,
there.
that's the ball. That's the ball. Well, Luke.
Spread. Line.
Stay with it, Crombie.
Side behind you. Inside, well, inside.
That's a crack.
Oh.
Unlucky.
Well.
Both cracked.
Better this, lads.
Well played.
Save.
Don't dive in, Chris.
Well done, boys.
Ooh.
Little ball in there.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll tell you
Oh.
what, you've done cracking there, Luke.
Oh.
That's a bit rough, but...
Line it, Brian.
Back in, lads. Cover Luke.
Rob, man,
Get in there, slide, get in there, mate!
Keep going, man up.
Well done.
Well inside.
Oh, he's done him. Oh, no.
Oh. Fooled the cameraman here.
Nah, you're still going, mate, you're still going.
Whoa.
Big head. Well in.
Get
Chase him
back.
back.
Get back.
Craig's on.
3 on 2.
Good strike.
Oh.
Well in, Brian.
Unlucky.
Unlucky, lads.
Yeah, Craig, go and sit yourself up there, mate. You've got a Stephen Gerrard roll. Just wherever.
Finish that, Ben.
Come on, Chris, too quiet. Come on.
Come on, boys.
Ooh. Oh, it's set.
Will, options. Line.
Stay on your man.
Big head, Adrian.
Free head.
Go for it, Brian.
No, too much time.
Oh, boys, come on. One on. Options. On your left. Oh, fucking hell, come on.
Good pressure, Adrian.
Reps up.
Right. Raj, you're Chris, right.
JT, Brad, you two on the back. Will, back in the middle. Raj, on the left. Come wide. Oh, okay, alright, fine. Stay middle.
Short left.
Short. Take the man. Will, behind you. Come on, boys. You need to be tighter. Tighter on your man.
There's only 5 of you outfield. You should each have someone.
Positions, boys. Talk to each other.
Like glue, boys. Come on.
Line
Boys,
court.
drop.
Side's good. Sit one each. Get go side, Chris.
One on Raj.
On his touch.
Horrible there.
Time. Get there, Brian.
Options.
Get there, Brian.
Give him an option. Get closer to him.
Right, turn
Good pressure, lads, well then.
Head up.
Your skill on the far side is outrageous then before that
That's
shot.
it. Call him out.
No, the skill over there. That's so good.
One on
I
Chris.
hit his leg when I went to shoot.
Will. Easy. Oh, great ball. Home.
Drop back, Brian.
Right. There's 2 of them.
That's it.
Let's
Get there.
Oh, don't worry.
James Coy is the greatest
Now
goalkeeper in
reset.
Chris,
Essex.
you got to get
That's
Confirmed.
it. On his toes. Now throw again, ref.
Oh, £2.50.
Heavy that.
Oh,
You have to take out another mortgage for that 250 fine. Oh, he's not having it.
Chris, too close there. Move out.
You going, Adrian? Oh, well in bed.
Keep battling. Get over, Brian. Get over.
Well done. Come on, Raj. Don't give up, mate.
Feels it is.
One of you.
Time, Adrian, time.
Go left. Come on,
Mind your back.
Raj, go again. Well done.
Out comes, go line.
Line. Well done, Raj. Fucking solid. Well done.
Pressure, Craig.
Good to go on, mate.
Refs up. Where's the refs up? You play middle? Come on, mate. Go on, you play middle. So I was so far away from play.
Gamble on this. Come on, one of you. Who's up top?
Line.
Keep going, Rob.
Well back, Adrian. Well in.
Back in now. Brad. You're going to have to drop.
We're not attacking as a team, boys.
Well done, Brian. Keep on it. That's it, Brian.
Adrian. Do you want to come off or? Ref, sub.
Right, someone's got to go.
Play it, Adrian.
You've got to go for it. It's not gambling.
Go on, Rob.
Watch it.
Play,
JT. Boys, you're ball watching.
Well made.
Follow Blue Boots. One of you. Switch.
Well
Oh,
played.
hospital
Boys, as a
pass.
team.
Man on now, man on.
I'll do back in.
Shoulders.
Boys, talk.
Ben once.
JT, don't get drawn too far. Rob on your right.
Play for that, yeah.